Today we're going to discuss preposition. Okay? Preposition. So, there are various types of preposition. Okay? There are various kinds of preposition. Yes. Some prepositions are used to show the place or where something happens. Okay? Some prepositions are used to show the place or where something happens. Okay? So what are the various kinds of prepositions? Number one, it is this. Okay? Some prepositions are used to show the place or where something happens. Okay? So here under there is some examples. Okay? There is some examples. So let's go and do that. So first example. What is the first example? Yes. He is hiding under the tree. Okay? He is hiding under the tree. So here, what is the preposition here? What is it? Under the tree. So it means under is the preposition here. Okay? It is under. He is hiding under the tree. Okay. So the second example. What is the second example? Let's look at it. Keep the cushions on the sofa. Keep the cushions on the sofa. So here on is the preposition. Okay? On the sofa, like that. So let's do the last example. Okay, what is it? What is the last example? What is it? Yes. I have parked the car behind the house. I have parked the car behind the house. So what is the preposition? Behind is the preposition. Okay, what is it? Behind. So this is the various types of prepositions. Number 1. Number 2 and 3 will arrive in the next classes. So I hope you all like my videos and do subscribe my channel and enable the bell button for further updates. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye bye.